This video explains the features and use of the Loop Drawing Generator tool from excellentcontrol.com. This tool generates different types of loop drawings from tabulated data in Excel sheets. It can generate drawings in text searchable PDF format. It can also generate drawings in Excel format, which can be handy if any minor changes need to be made to the drawings. The tool requires Excel 2010 or later. The tool generates different kinds of loops, including 2-wire and 4-wire loops. It makes a great choice for small jobs where the use of a complex instrumentation database may not be justified. Data to be shown on the drawings is entered into the titles and loop data sheets. The data mapping sheet shows how the data in these sheets is mapped to the drawings. Data common to all drawings is filled in on the title sheet. This includes project and revision information, logo, and header information. Wiring data is entered in the loop datasheet. The data mapping sheet shows how data is mapped to the drawings. After entering all the data, choose the output format on the main page and click the button to generate the loop drawings. The output file includes a title page and a table of contents. The tool can be used to generate both 2-wire and 4-wire loops. Loops with relays and barriers can also be created using this tool. Visit www.excellentcontrol.com for further details and purchasing information.